Hello friends, once again welcome back to Excel Homemade Tutorial channel. If you're looking for a job and if you're in UAE, this video is definitely for you. So don't skip the video and watch till the end. You may find a vacancy for you. Alright, this is my channel Excel Homemade Tutorial. If you haven't subscribed my channel so far, kindly subscribe to my channel because you will see a lot of other videos related to Excel and PowerPoint. Right, so this is the first vacancy here for you. It's for junior chef, kitchen helper, back of the house staff. You can apply on info@barbecuedelights.com. all right, and there are two other vacancies here for bar manager, bar supervisor, bartender, waiter, waitress at careers@SOHOGARDEN Soho Garden DXB.com. And here for floor supervisor, hostess, bar manager, bar back, bartender, waiter, waitresses. This is all what you need to have, and then you can apply on hr@studioclub.ae. There is a CDP, senior CDP vacancy at Radisson Blu Hotel in Ajman. Your salary is 3,500 plus single room you will have and a yearly ticket. You can apply on biya.leby@radissonblu.com. In DIFC there is a restaurant hiring runners like assistant waiter, so the relevant experience is mandatory. You can share your resume on ivana.krstebska@fogome.com. Here is a Mexican restaurant in JLT, Jumeirah Lake Towers in Dubai. You can apply for waitress and waiter position at admin@maiztacos.com. Again, the vacancy for waiter and waitresses in a restaurant in Abu Dhabi. You can apply through jasminda@royalinternational.com. Here is a food and beverage servers, means waiter, waitresses. You can join immediately, can apply with all of those requirements. Send your resume to OPERATIONS operations@jackrestaurants.ae. For CDP and DCDP, demi chef de partie and chef de partie, can join at LOWE, Loud Restaurant. So you can send your resume through email kitchen@lowe.ae. CEO, general manager, head of the food and beverage. All right, this vacancy is for CEOs, general manager, and business heads. So you can simply apply through hr@focusinvestments.ae. American restaurant is hiring in Dubai Marina, looking for waiter, waitress, specialty, barista, and commis. You can apply through careers@foodquest.ae. Multiple vacancy like kitchen manager, commis, CDP, DCDP, kitchen steward, waiter, cashier, hygiene officer, kitchen equipment technician. All those vacancies you can apply through applying at here applying@pokandco.com. And the last vacancy is here for waiter and barista and also commis chef for international cuisine. Send your resume at hr@binghati.com. So that is it, all the vacancies, guys, and these are my books, How Far You Are and Paralyzed Life. You can find them on Amazon. It's very cheap, $7 and $10. And this is me, Durvesh Sharma. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you very much. See you next time.